Okay, we're ready to begin experiment number 3. You'll see that on page 130 and 131 of your lab manual. And we are going to be explaining the process of cellular respiration. You're probably already familiar with cellular respiration from your lecture class, but we'll go over that very quickly. We do know that in this case we are going to break down glucose in the presence of oxygen and a mitochondrion. And as a result of that, we're going to produce carbon dioxide and water, as well as those approximately 32 ATP that we expect to get out of this process. Now, in order to investigate this today, we have an experiment set up. We're going to measure CO2 production at rest and then remeasure CO2 production after exercise. If we take a quick look at the equation, we should be able to make a prediction. We should be able to figure out, will I be producing more CO2 when I'm rested, or will I produce more CO2 after exercise based on what I might need in order to exercise? Of course, to do anything in your body, whether it be active transport or muscular contraction, we're going to need ATP, adenosine triphosphate. So we have to kind of think about our need for ATP as we make these predictions. So let's go ahead and set this up. According to our lab manual, we need 2 test tubes. We'll label them 1 and 2, and we're going to place 3 drops of phenol red into each tube. So I'm going to go ahead and do that part right now. I will get some phenol red, and I will just go 1, 2, 3 drops in tube 1, 1, 2, 3 drops in test tube number 2. Now that I have the phenol red in there, I can go ahead and add tap water to those. So I'm going to add 1 milliliter of tap water to each of these. All right, now we are set up and ready to go. We just need a volunteer to do some exercise.